So the moment has arrived. We have the box here from the printer for print run of Brute number 3. Now, to be honest, I did look at these when I picked it up, so this isn't like super fresh, but I just wanted you guys to share in this moment. There we go. Here is one of the alternate covers for Brute number 3 with the new logo. Got the Dixie Alvarez variant cover here as well. Got the Rod Thibodeau variant cover here. And yes, in case you're wondering, some of these have larger print runs than others based on demand from the Kickstarter. And then most of the rest of these are all the original authentic Owen Keenan cover, the official cover for Brute number 3. So, and we can take a look and see, here we go. So these are off the press in my office and ready to go out and soon to be in a mailbox near you.